Okay, we're at Laolee Hill Resort. That's what the sign says. We're in the middle of all this nice tea plantation here in the mountains. Alright. You can see the beautifully manicured tea plants in the back there. Get a little closer so you can see. There we go.
7-Elevenฮะ
Oh, 7-Eleven. He's making a
joke.
He's making a taste. That's Jackie. He'll say anything.
It's beautiful. Look at this. And down back over here, they got some bungalows and stuff. And here they have a family bungalow. It's got 3 bedrooms in it. Alright, do more in the morning. Going to the tea factory here soon. Good. Okay, we're at the tea factory here in Laolee, Thailand, and what they have here is they have some Asa tea that they picked yesterday. It's called Asa, it's not oolong. Oolong you cannot pick during this time of year. This is January, and so this is Asa tea. And they take the tea here and they weigh it to 12 kilograms. Then they put them in the dryers. Okay, you can see the tea's in the dryer. And that dryer is 300 degrees Celsius. And they run it for about 5 minutes. Okay, and then they take it out. And then after they take it out, then they set it down here in front of this fan over here, okay, because they don't want the leaves to burn. Then they put the leaves into these spinning deals here, and what that does, it breaks down the structure of the leaves. If it doesn't break down the cell structure, what happens is when you pour water on your tea, it won't happen. You won't get any flavor out of the tea. So this is an important part here. So, okay, we'll show you this a little bit close up. Right now we're at about 4 minutes on this one. And, okay, here it comes. Finished. As you can see, it's coming off the bottom there, and you can see how it's kind of rolled up and structurally broken down. So when you pour your hot water over it, you get the good flavor. We're not done with the process yet. There's a lot more to go. Here's the next step. It's a leaf separator, so it doesn't all bunch together. Got them outside here and gonna put them out to dry, spread them out. And see the tea plants on a mountain ridge behind you. Beautiful sunny day for this. They set it out and they separate it. Separate the good ones from the bad ones. Get all the stems, big stems out. It's very dry. What they do is they take these stems out.
They use food.
Check this out. Okay, here's the tea shop here where we had the factory. And so good. Oh. Here they've got the different teacups and things. All the different teas.
Still rolling.
Yeah,
This is the tea we saw made this morning.
yeah.
Assam.
Assam tea, right.
That's probably what that says, but I wouldn't swear to it.
All right, good.
Okay, Jack.